Drop in a beat. Boots and cats and boots and cats. Both and either or da 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 and so much more. Yeah. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna teach you how to rap today, but we are going to talk about correlative conjunctions. Mini
English lessons.
Correlative conjunctions are great tools that will help you link two similar elements together. So today we're going to review both and, either or, whether or, and neither nor. They're the dynamic duos of English. Just think of salt and pepper or ketchup and fries. First, let's talk about both and. Perfect to link two similar or positive elements together. For example, both SZA and Macklemore are great singers. Why choose one when you can enjoy both of their music? Number two, either or. Now, this is all about decisions and choices. Okay, kids, we can either vacation in the Bahamas or in Hawaii. It's all about options. Next up, neither nor. Just think of it as the complete opposite of either or. Here we're linking two negative elements or items together. Oh my God, are you gonna go out with him? Girl, he's neither cute nor funny. Why would I go out with him? Last up, whether or. Now, this is also about options and you can use it in decision-making process. Okay, let's review a couple of rules that you need to know in order to use correlative conjunctions correctly. Number one, balance similar elements. When using correlative conjunctions, you're going to link two similar elements together, whether they're nouns, adjectives, different clauses, etc. Ensure that the elements you're connecting are parallel in structure. Don't say, you can either call me or sending a text, because the elements here are not parallel in structure. So we used call, and that's in the infinitive form, and then sending, and that's in the gerund form. That doesn't work. So you should say, you can either call or send a text. Both elements here are in the infinitive form, call and send. Number two, use both parts of the correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions come in pairs, so both elements have to be present in the sentence. For example, both the book and the movie were excellent, and neither the book nor the movie were any good. Number three, ensure subject-verb agreement. Verbs in correlative conjunctions typically agree with the nouns closest to the verb. This is also known as the rule of proximity. Now, I said typically because the correlative conjunction both and does not follow that rule. Both the cat and the dog are cute. So here, cat and dog are both in the singular form. However, we're going to use the verb are. When using both and, the verb is always going to be in the plural form, regardless whether the nouns in the sentence are in the plural or the singular form. So now that we're done with both and, let's talk about the rule of proximity. It's when the verb in the sentence agrees with the subject closest to it. Either the cat or the dog is gonna get adopted today. Neither the teacher nor the student is available for the meeting. Whether the manager or the employee is responsible for that mistake remains unclear. Correlative conjunctions add structure and pizzazz to your sentences. They're tools for clearer and more effective communication. Whether you choose to use them or not, that's up to you. But please do, and do it in the comments. Okay, see ya!